L.O.L doll that I got from my birthday. And it's L.O.L doll, Sparkle Star, and it has 20 surprises inside it. And let's open it. This is the stand, guys. And now we need to cut the last part for the back surprise. Oh, that's okay. Now we're gonna do this. Okay, now we need to put this over. My mom helped me again with the stuff because I needed help to remove the surprises. And this is her name, Sparkle Star. And this is her look. Okay. And this is what and the dog is here. Okay. Now we're gonna remove the box. Okay. We're gonna open this blind bag first. We're gonna use the scissors. So pretty. I'm gonna show you down here. Look, it's the first. This is another pair of clothes. Now let's put the clothes over here. And later on we're gonna try them on. Now we're gonna open these two. They're attached, so I'm just gonna put one back first. Oh, the wrapping paper is over. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Look, it's a soccer ball bag. It opens. You can put your stuff in here. Now we're gonna open the next bag. Now there's two of them wrapping paper. There's accessories for right here and they're golden. This is a necklace. There's two bows. And there's two earrings. Yeah, let's see if we can take off the doll. Wow. Look how pretty her hair is, guys. Look, this is what she looks like. As you can see here, this is her bow and her other six accessories, her earrings and her necklace. And these are her clothes, her jacket, her crop top, her shorts, her bathing suit, and her other accessories, her purse, that's a basketball, and this is also her wand, guys, and it says first star, and this is her comb, guys, and this is her hanger for her clothes. And if you want to buy this, as you want to buy it, and if you like my headband, and you can get it from Party City. And if you don't know what Party City is, Google it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And see you guys in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you next time, guys. Bye.